Hi, do you want to see how high force was made? Well then, come on a journey back in time with me. To understand the way a waterfall is formed, we need to understand the differences in the types of rock that it's made up of. Some rocks are harder than others. These rocks were formed in shallow seas, river deltas, and from magma. Then, after the layers were formed, not much happened for nearly 300 million years, apart from a little bit of surface erosion. Then, it was the Ice Age.
Yeah!
During the Ice Age, the UK was largely covered by glaciers. These glaciers then cut away the rock layers as they moved, bringing the rock with them. Around 12,000 years ago, the Ice Age came to an end and so the ice melted. The water from these glaciers then started the true formation of high force. As the rock layers are of different strengths, they are eroded by the water at different rates, with the softer rock eroding more quickly than the harder rock. The softer rocks are below the harder rock, so an overhang is formed which then collapses and the process begins again. This cycle causes the waterfall to retreat. Ta-da! High force!